Hello everyone. Today I am launching Briify, an AI-powered educational learning platform which allows users to organize and navigate educational YouTube content seamlessly. When you look at traditional YouTube platform, they did not have doesn't have a better approach whereby you can organize videos, share the full organized copy with other people so that they can learn from the same thing. So I now feel like this is something we really need, especially for people looking forward to learn from free courses or free content. So because YouTube is the largest learning platform that has various categories of learning resources. I believe YouTube is the right choice. Yeah, that is why I personalize the platform with YouTube. So now let me just quickly show you how Briefy works. All right, let me quickly walk you through what the platform does and how you can use it to learn more efficiently. So this is just the landing page. It is mobile friendly. You can access it from your mobile. So let's quickly get started. You can create an account if you are new, right? So you can create a normal account or log in or create an account with Gmail, but I recommend Gmail, which is much more faster. So I will create an account because this account is new to Briefy. So I will create an account. Okay, after you created an account or you logged in, we'll see this interface right here, which is completely empty because I just created an account, right? So now let me quickly walk you through the platform and where are some features where you can find some features. So we have the courses right here. Since this account is new, you can't this account doesn't have any course currently. So we have empty bookmarks, we have empty history and analytics page is there where you can view analytics about your program, about your course and what you are watching. We have the reviews, we have the notes you've taken across the entire different segments or videos. So right here we have a lot of options right here. We have the dashboard, which is the current one. We have the browse search. We'll come back to that later. But let's start from the community. So right here in the community, we have various. We're gonna be having trending topics. So that is still under construction. So since this is just the beta release, so we'll be having trading courses, which courses people are watching more, so that you can also engage with it. So right here we have two tab here. We have the public course. This community page is about connecting and gaining access to other people's courses, which is other people's public course. So right here we have three courses from different people. We have one from this account, we have one from Air, we have one from Air. So we have like three different public courses right here. So if I click on this course has zero segment, right? This course also have it has zero one segment. So let's click on this and check it out. You can check the user profile. This is the user profile. So but I will show you much more better profile. Let's click on this profile. You can see that okay, this is just an initial setup. So you can set up a profile link whereby you can see other people's profile on their other social accounts. I will be showing that in some couple of videos I will be sharing with you guys about Briefy. But right here you can follow that account so that you can get more personalized notification about any activity the user is actually doing. So now you can click on this course right here to view that specific public course. So right now we have empty segment, right? We have one segment inside this course. So you can just view it, just view the course and see
Hey
what it
guys,
is
welcome to
about.
my 2024 React crash course. So this is something I do every 2 to 3 years. Not
So this Travers media, right? Yeah. So that's just one of the initial. That's the account. That's the segment that this account has in this course. So from here you can just watch it, like the video, right? Save it. You can save it. You can also share this course with some other people, right? So you can also follow the user. you can also follow them. So you can also follow them. Just a specific feature. So, and you can also click on this copy to my course. If you find the course interesting, since it's a public course, you can also copy it so that you can have a copy of it privately in your own personal account. So right here, I can copy the course. So immediately I copied it, it will automatically navigate me to there. So right now, this is the course I copied. So you can also view it. So right now I have a
Hey guys,
personal copy of this course. You can check it on your dashboard. You see right now we have a copy. See that front end copy. So this was copied from someone. So, and this literally does not affect the original one. So the original one is for the person that created it. If the person deleted that, that won't affect your own personal one. And if you delete your own, it won't affect the the initial cause you copied from. So that's just it. You can also view creators. Right now we have like three creators across the platform. So you can view creators profile, check out their informations and some video other things. That's it about the community feature, right? So now we can check the profile setting. Here you can do some few things about your profiles. You can update your profile picture. You can update your username right here. So just click on this. You can tell more about yourself, software engineer, right? You can do that. You can update your Twitter link right here. Like, let's put something like http, okay, YouTube slash at aieradef. Yeah, that's my YouTube link. You can connect with me through all this video activity. So I can just save that. Okay. Immediately I updated the profile. Okay, when someone else view my profile, they can see all my social links and others. So I can also view my own personal profile. I can also view my own personal profile. So if I try to access, just to have a glance about um command codes. Yeah, so you see that. So software engineer, public course, zero, this, that, and profile picture. If I have a public courses, everything will be displayed here. This official like the website. Yeah, this is the website. This is the YouTube, GitHub, LinkedIn, and other things. So this one of the initial idea of this community is that I felt like YouTube does not have a community for everybody within the platform, right? Because there is different people and different agenda why people are creating content on YouTube. So I feel like if you are in a specific field, you should be able to connect because YouTube is a global platform, right? So how can you connect with people at a wide range, like people within that same field you are with, and they are in a far distance from you. You want to learn from other people, share knowledge with other people online. So I felt like you people can also connect through this platform too. Most platforms are limited and they are very, very restrictive. So I feel like this will create a more opportunity so for people who are trying to connect with other people across the globe, share ideas, learn together, build projects together, connect and experiment and other things you can imagine of. So that's one of the reasons why I have this kind of feature so that you can also share your your public social accounts and people you guys can follow each other, connect with each other. I just want to make things much more similar and simple, seamless for people. That's just the idea about this community while still learning within the platform. So we have the provider, we've already checked that. So we have this send feedback. This send feedback, the reason why I added this there is that there might be any bug, any issue, anything you might imagine of. Just click on the send feedback, then select whether you want to request a feature or you detected a bug or you have any complaint, you want to suggest something or anything else, just select it, then give it a brief title and give a full details description. Then just send it. I will receive it and work towards it. And I will also alert the community after I worked on such kind of solution. So that's it about the send feedback. We also have the upgrade pro. Right currently it's still okay if you are using the free version because that's that's actually my the reason why I am creating this tool. So, but right now, if you feel like you want to do more with the platform, there is the pro there. But currently, the pro is not working because I'm still undergoing a verification under the payment gateway I'm going to be integrating into the platform. So they are still like verifying my credentials and other stuff. So it is I have currently logged it up, but you can check it. You can definitely check it. So that's it about the upgrade. So right now, let's quickly check out the last few things we'll be discussing in this video. So I will navigate to the browser and search. Yeah, we have the course we've already copied, right? So we have a single segment inside it. We can add more to it. So right now I can click on these three dots here, the ellipses, then add a subfolder like an introduction right there. Then I can also apply a color to it, then create folder. So right now we have this folder right here. So I can also create another folder like advanced front end, right? So use same color. I just want consistency. That's why I'm using same color. So yeah, we create another folder. So one before we move forward, one thing I want to quickly explain here is that having a folder here doesn't means that you can't reorder it. You might feel like, oh, I want this advanced front end before the introduction. You can reorder it, like adjust the order. So the way you adjust it, it will be you will find its same order. The order we are actually following order here. So you see that after I loaded it. So you can also adjust the order again. So everything is actually saved. So that's one of the beauty of this tool because I just want flexibility for anyone that want to structure YouTube content. So there should be flexibility and encapsulation of content for easy accessibility. So right here for front end, like I search for um something front end or like HTML, you can feel like introduction to HTML or something since this is the front end course, right? So I can search for let me just search for JavaScript, JavaScript variable, right? Let's search for that. So this search here will search through YouTube platform. It will search through where I'm actually using YouTube API right here. So it will search through YouTube. You can also adjust the filter, adjust the views, adjust the level, right? The level for beginner, advanced. You get the point. So you can also adjust the language, whether you want Spanish or you want French, German, Hindi, but I believe most people will want English. So that is the default language you are using. So we have variety of videos right here related to JavaScript. So I can select this course from Masha Medani. So by clicking on it, I can watch few about it. 3-minute introduction. See that we have variety of
Your code. When you're done, go to the Explorer tab.
so from okay, let me just pause it. So from here right now, you can click on this add to course. Then you can click directly on this folder. It will be inserted. It will insert this video like this segment. You can call it segment. It will insert a segment directly into that front end folder, which means that this video or segment will be at the top, like the top level of that front end folder. But if you want it nested, you can click on this drop down arrow right here. So by expanding this arrow, you will see nested folders that are inside this front end. Then you can click on which one you want to insert this segment into. I have selected this. You can select everything. It will now it will insert each of these segments into all these folders. So I'm just calling it folders. I hope you understand. So, but right now, this is what I want. I just want to have it inside this introduction. So I will just click say add to course. So adding this to the course, we are good to go. So yeah, that was successful. So by checking this, you can see now that we have a course right there. That's one segment, right? So we can also check advanced. Let me search for advanced JavaScript, for instance. Advanced JavaScript. So by searching for advanced JavaScript, I can also yeah, this is one advanced JavaScript from Codevolution. So I can click on this.
This video is
Yeah, I can click on these and just you
Just
know yeah, and just add all the full video into the advanced folder. Yeah. So in the next video, I will be talking much more about something very special, or something you did want to hear about. So that's it. We are now have these two. We have like three segments right now. So if we navigate back to our courses right here and we check out these course, now you can see we have a root segment right here. We also have another video like a segment under this folder. We also have another segment under this folder right here. You can see that. So you can open these and watch the video right from here. You can also open this, watch this right from
just
here. You can also watch this React crash course. So
hey guys,
that's the initial flexibility I want from I currently want to provide right now. I'll be working more on the features like we have the transcripts, Q&As using AI, powered by AI resources. You can also share resources so that other people can learn from many resources you have. So we also have note section and discussions and more features and advanced features are even coming into this. So this is just the initial launch, like a beta stage. So they're not it is not fully tested. Like we are still working on it. So that's it. I will be showing you guys in this video. In my next video, I will be showing you more about how you can use this browse tab because these AI powered features and it's also still under beta. Everything is still under beta to be precise. I will be showing you guys how you can cut part of a video conveniently. Like you want to cut a single video into multiple segments and insert it into different folders. That's it for this video. Thank you guys.